Hi guys, Luna here, and welcome to I'm on Observation Duty 6. Basic thing, I put on camera switchers, pause, and report. I don't know if that's going to change anything, but let's just get right into the Observation Duty series. If you're new to this channel, I've been playing through most of the Observation Duty games so far, but let's just get right into it. So, normal difficulty, balanced anomaly difficulty, no immunity from false reports, or hard difficulty, increased anomaly difficulty, and penalty from false reports. I'm gonna do normal mode. Okay. Locals have reported large quantities of anomalous events happening at the location. The epicenter seems to be at a parked locomotive at the center of the railway station. A body was found inside the train. We have not yet been able to identify the body due to the extreme damage caused to it by what appears to have been a gigantic blunt instrument wielded with immense strength. Strange mumbling resembling no known language has been heard from the train. Numerous passengers have reported luggage disappearance and leaving the train with items they did not enter the train with. So, switch cameras is A and D or the arrow keys. Hold down to report anomaly. Report window. Okay. Abyss, camera, distortion, ghost, steam, /smoke, and lights. Okay, that's normal. Okay, so there's 6 cameras. Okay. Oh, so I can either report something, or I can click on something that seems suspicious. I like that. That's good. That definitely makes life a little bit easier when you think, hey, I think there's something up in this area. I don't know what it is, but I don't know. So, okay. So far, I'm liking the setup. Is that pencil always there? Is the trash can always full? Okay. So there's 2 trash bag, 2 containers here. Okay. Okay, so bathroom, driver C, passenger C, private C, sleeping C, dining car. Okay. So obviously it's bathroom, driver cart, passenger cart, private cart, sleeping car, and dining car. Oh, that's definitely spooky. Oh, I love how they did the fixing an anomaly, because that's cool. That looks off. That also looks off. Why does that look off back there? The shoe's always here? Honestly, I'm already in love with, like, hey, something seems off. Let me just say, hey, I think something's off here. And just say, hey, click on it. Because that was definitely my biggest complaint from Observation Duty 5, where you just had to report the room. And it's just definitely something that's just like, if I don't know what's wrong and I just feel like something's wrong, then I could just fail immediately. And there is hard mode where if you report something wrong, you obviously get penalized for it, but I'm not one of those people that can necessarily immediately tell if something's wrong or not. It just vibes. Something's wrong with the stomach of the bear. I guess not. This texture thing. It definitely allows for some easier things of like, was that always there? Or no? Because it's like, even though I'm fully scanning the room, I'm definitely not like fully that chair was not turned before. Were the dots always there? I don't think so. So, okay, I guess not. Were these changed? That, I don't think that was yellow before. Just those subtle things I'm like, I'm not sure. That's definitely new. Hi, teddy bear. So far, so good at least. I'm over an hour in. No report saying, hey, there's multiple anomalies, you need to fix it. Nice. Oh, okay. I wonder how they're gonna improve this with the I'm on observation duty 7, because so far the concept, like I love the art, like I love the art style. Not too many cameras. I love it's colored, and there's not. Yeah, it's basically I like it's colored. I like how there's not too many rooms. That's definitely new. I love the point and click, and I also love the right click and select thing too. So which is definitely new. I love how you don't get errored for clicking something that's necessarily wrong. You might still get penalized, but not like as obviously penalized. And I don't know what else I could improve. There hasn't been that many anomalies, though. I always expect that there's going to be more. Because it's what I fixed. Oh, that's. Because I fixed what 3 so far. Because the person, the blood, and the fire sense. I think that's open 4 or 5 now. I love the little plants on the shelf because that's cute. Let's see here. Sandwich is going bad. Could do a similar technique where I just stay on this for, I don't know, 10-15 seconds before going on to the next room. But I don't know, I don't think that'll be as interesting for you guys, because this way you get to kind of observe each of the rooms as I'm going through, just trying to see if there's anything wrong. I feel like this light anomaly in Sleeping Sea, so it feels more green hued. Guess not. That's definitely wrong. Yeah, I'm just surprised that there's not as more anomalies. Because, like, part of my thing is I always expect an anomaly to appear maybe every 15 to 20 seconds. So whenever I don't see one for that 15 to 20 second range, I'm always thinking, oh, I'm missing something. So it's like... And especially like if I happen to find the anomaly, I definitely expect one to come sooner because I found the previous one. That's unfortunate. I think I clicked a little bit above, but hopefully it still counts, yeah. One, two, three, four, five, six. Yeah. Whee. I love that they got rid of the static for the shifting of the cameras too, just because even though his rows are really cool and really nice, just not having that static effect just feels nicer, I guess. Magazine's definitely new. That fire, I feel like that fire hydrant's always been, or not fire hydrant, fire extinguisher. Yeah, the fire extinguisher's always been there. Oh, light anomaly in private car C. I mean, obviously there's like abyss, camera malfunction, distortion, ghosts, demon light 8, but for the most part, I don't think that's going to be such a serious issue. I feel like more often than not, it's going to be stuff that you can point to as saying, hey, there's something wrong here. Because that's definitely the main feature of this game that was in the one of the earlier games, which I'm glad they brought back. It's a little bit more precise of, hey, you did this general area rather than just... Imminent, oh, text saying imminent collision. Receiving multiple reports. So yeah, there's one. Oh wait, there's an extra thing. Because there's only 3 before. Is that one new? That looks different. Yeah, abyss camera distortion ghost smoke lights. Oh wait, that's moved. Glad I noticed that. Oh, really? The suitcase didn't move. Interesting. Maybe I was thinking of that one where I was thinking on the left or something. But I could have sworn there's something over here. Guess not. I don't know if the exit sign just looks odd to me. Oh, missing magazine here. Once you enter, you'll never leave. That's doom and gloom. I don't know if those are right. Don't smile day. Definitely getting a lot more anomalies, which are good. Door open. I feel like the yellow suitcase shifted. It's definitely... Oh, I guess it didn't move. So far I'm good. I haven't noticed anything obvious again. One, two, three, four, 5, 6. Okay, yeah. All 6 cameras are here. Wait, is this... ghost in Sleeping Sea. I feel like there's something here. Steam/smoke in Sleeping Sea? I'm guessing. Oh, that is very creepy. But that is so well done. So creepy and so well done. Meet the passenger. Bang, bang, bang. I'm always at 4 hours, which is, I think, my best time so far in any one of these games. So... there's the clock. I wonder if they ever do the same anomaly twice. That would be an interesting question. I would assume not, but hey, it's a possibility. Oh, door open. And it's not in the mirror either, which is funny. Guess it's so people click on the door rather than the reflection. That's wrong. I can't change the camera. Oh, that is freaky. Just the twisting of the head all backwards, like owl. Ugh. Very creepy. But so far, not really having to use my right click all that much, which is surprising. Actually, setting, yeah, brightness is full. This probably would be a little bit harder if my brightness wasn't all the way up, but sometimes I just struggle to see with stuff on my screen if it's not all the way up. Let me actually properly click on this class. It's because... oh, help. Abyss in the bathroom. That looks so cool though, just the slow spread of it. That does not seem like it. Could have been there, could have just glossed over, but just... okay, yeah. That feels slightly off. I don't know what it would be if it's steam smoke in the dining car? Maybe at least. Guess not. Oh. Hello, passenger. So two similar ones, but not the same place, though. Bathroom, driver car, passenger car, private car, sleeping car, and dining car. So all 6 cameras are here. I always have to like double, triple check of, hey, do we have all 6 cameras? Because if we don't, then we know it's a camera malfunction. Is that cup? I feel like that cup was in a different position. Oh, wait, and the sign. The sign was in a different position. Okay. Okay. So if we're looking good, I feel like there's more cups in this cabinet than there were before. And we made it to 5 o'clock. I don't want to jinx myself, but I think we may be able to complete this one. For once. Finally. Camera function dining car? Because I hear sound. Oh, the creepy music settling in. That's throughout the entire thing. So. Great, now I'm gonna be slightly more paranoid. I'm fine, I got this, this is totally fine. I've been getting all the anomalies so far. I don't need to worry about some music hyping me up or whatever. Passenger, private, sleeping, dining, bathroom, drivers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, drivers, passengers, private, sleeping, dining, okay, bathroom. Oh god! Darn it! Oh, no! No! So close! No! Okay, anomaly report. Okay, there was a movement in the sleeping car. There's a missing object in the passenger's car. There's a door anomaly. Okay. I'm glad they tell you now, too. That is so nice. Apparently I missed a door in the dining car. Okay. Okay. Well, with that close victory taken away from us, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you guys have a good day, night, week, month of your lives, and may the stars forever guide your path wherever they might lead you into the future. Bye-bye, everybody.